Here are all the ingredients I use to make these cheesy au gratin potatoes. Check the description box below for further details. I have cut my potatoes, and as you can see, they're sliced evenly. I used a mandolin. If you don't have one, just slice them as evenly as possible. All right, I covered these potatoes in water and placed them in the microwave for about 10 minutes. This is going to help the cooking process to soften the potatoes. That way I don't have to bake them as long. And now it's time to get this liquid gold melted for this awesome, awesome sauce. Add your flour once the butter is melted and stir. Like I'm doing here, stir it up pretty good. Stir that love. Come on with the love, y'all. Come on with the love. Love helps your meals taste much better. I promise you. It's the love you put in the dish. So now we're going to go ahead and pour in our cream. This is a heavy whipping cream. I'm doing 2 cups of this heavy whipping cream because we want it all ooey and gooey and thick and rich. Yes, thick and rich is what I said. That's what we want to do. It ain't right if it ain't thick and rich and ooey and gooey. All right, I've cooked this sauce for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to add in some of my seasonings. I'm adding it in, mixing it up really good. You know, you got to stir that love in that pot, baby. Get the love. Come on with the love. If it ain't in it, it don't mean nothing to you and nobody else. So stir that love in that pot. And then add in your pepper. I'm using white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use black. And now I'm adding in seasoning salt. And trust me, it's not going to make your sauce salty. It's just a little bit that I'm adding in. And you see at the bottom the description of how much was added as far as all the seasonings. Check that description box below. Now you got to stir that love in there so this dish will be lip smacking, toe tapping good. Stir it, baby. Stir, stir, stir. And then you're going to cook it for about 5 minutes. And then if your potatoes are ready, you see how they look now? They're kind of tender. That means I don't have to cook these potatoes too long because they're going to be real soft. And I'm adding in some ground mustard now just to give it a different flavor. You know, I put this in my macaroni and cheese sauce as well. I don't know, it just takes your dish to another level. This is optional though. You don't have to do this. Now it's time to get this casserole prepared. So here I have my pot. I'm spraying it just so the potatoes and cheese won't stick to the pot. This is a cast iron skillet. And I'm just going to pour in some of this luscious, gooey sauce. Yes, baby. It's like a liquid gold. It's going to make that potato casserole so, so good. I tell you, just even it up all around. You want to make it sure that it's pretty well coated at the bottom. And then from there, you're going to start just layering in some of your potatoes. And just put in a layer and lay it out flat. And just go from there. You know, just keep doing what you do. Here I'm adding in parsley just to give the layers a little color, just to put some color in the potato, some casserole, that's all. That's an optional seasoning. You don't have to do that. Now it's time to layer it with the cheese. And then you just pour cheese on there as much as you want and spread it out. Making sure it's evenly distributed in that skillet because you want every potato piece to have some of that ooey gooey cheese. And then you pour another layer of the cream sauce. And you're just going to do this until all of your potatoes and sauce is gone. And this is pretty much like layering lasagna. It's really quick, simple, and easy. So just go ahead and repeat the process, baby. Because when you finish, you're going to have that lip smacking toe tapping casserole. I tell you, it's going to be so good. Watch what I tell you. Sop that thing up with that. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Pour that in there. See, there's that liquid gold again. Spreading that out. And just repeat the process. All right, now you want to pour the rest of your cheese on top of the potatoes. And then you're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes or until it is tender and bubbly on top. And it's going to look just like this. Isn't that beautiful? And it's going to taste delicious. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Be blessed.